Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of filler on Telegram. To know how to fix or how to solve filler on Telegram, you should just go to settings. Here we can click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you'll enter to the window or to the app of Telegram, and you can click here in this page. After that you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you can click on storage. Then you'll enter to clear cache. After that you can click here to turn off your Wi-Fi, and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.